Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anne Marie with Anne Marie Creates, and I am going to share with you today the paper collection that I will be using for my next Country Craft Creations design team project. So this one, I'm not going to lie, this one is going to challenge me. So this, I hadn't heard or seen this one before, but this one is called Life is Abundant. This is from a Graphic 45. It looks to be another calendar type collection. So let's take a quick look. I'm really intrigued by it. So it, obviously, everybody knows Graphic 45, they have their, their colorways. They're either darks or lights. And I obviously got the darks. But at first I was like, oh no, what am I going to do with this? But as I look at it, the colors, now on the screen, the color, the greens and the blues and everything, they look a little bit flat, but in person they're very vibrant, which I'm kind of drawn to that. But so it's interesting. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So what we're looking at here is the month of January. So that's my month. That's my birthday month. There's this moth. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, I can see it, but so this is probably, see, they're all cut aparts. So that looks to be 5 1/4, probably 5 1/4 square. And then we have some smaller ones. Then we have Capricorn in January. I am on the Aquarius end, so I'm towards the end of the month. Yeah, I love this. So there's this little ticket sort of thing here. It says, write in your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. That is really pretty. And then there's the cute little border pieces here. And in the back, again, it looks a little flat on the screen, but it's a nice black, and I don't even know, it's like kind of a cream color with a little celestial graphic. So that's really pretty. So that's kind of the theme. Let me get the coffee out of the way before I make a mess. So that was January. This one is February. How pretty is that with the ferns? Oh, look at the little stamps. Oh, I have a stamp die. Hopefully it fits. I can cut that right out. I won't have to fussy cut it. Oh, that's beautiful right there. So, and oh, how pretty. It is so green. Oh, I love green. So that's February. Here's March. Really pretty. Like the mushroom, or is that mushroom, or is that a, what is that called? A toadstool? I don't know the difference. But, so that's March, and apparently March can be Pisces or Aries. Oh, that's a beautiful sagey green. This is April. Ooh, I couldn't figure out what that was, but I guess that's a nest. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so it's a bird nest with some eggs in it. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Oh, that is so pretty. And then, oh, that's pretty. It's a beautiful blue. This is May. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but this is growing on me. I'm not going to say I love it, but, oh, look at the dragonfly. How pretty. I mean, it's ugly and pretty at the same time. So that's gorgeous. Oh, forget it. Look how pretty that is. Okay, and then this is June. Oh, trust the seeds you were planting. So pretty. Oh, I love that. Here is July. Big fluffy bumblebee. That's very pretty. Oh, what is up with my camera? I'm sorry. I don't have it on auto, so I'm not sure why it's doing that. Here's August. Very, very pretty. September, one of my favorite times of the year. The beautiful sunflowers. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, look at Mr. Owl. Hooty hoo. Let Your Dreams Take Flight. Just very pretty for October. It's interesting that it's not, I mean, it's October, but it's not a Halloween-y type feel. I really like that. I like that. It's not orange and black and, you know, purple. Oh, there's that pretty blue I like. Now, there's the orange and black. It's November. So that's just beautiful fall theme or feel without being like in your face pumpkins and, you know the drill. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, that's really pretty. That's really nice. I like that one. So this is December. Again, gives you kind of a wintry feel without the snow and the, you know, all the things. So yeah, so really pretty. And that's the back. It's like a reddish, not quite a paprika color, but not quite, you know, candy apple red. Very pretty. And then I have some solid color cardstock here. I have some black. I could tell this is artisan. And then oh, no, it's not actually. It's My Colors cardstock in Black Magic. It feels like artisan. And then this one is My Colors in Goldenrod. So that is the papers. And then we have, whoops, stuck together, the Ephemera assortment for Life is Abundant. And I don't know if you can tell there. Oh, come on. Focus, focus. Let me see. Oh, it does not want to focus. Okay, there we go. Oh, they are just so pretty with the little toadstools and the leaves and the sunflowers. That's going to be really pretty. Oh, and there's some flowers. I can make some flowers. I'm not going to take each individual piece out, but it's gorgeous. And then I got this ribbon. I'm loving this ribbon. It's a really, at first when you look at it, you think it's black, but it's a really, really dark green with a beautiful green, and it's velvety. It's just so pretty. And then this lacy black lace, that I'm actually loving. I need about 84 yards of that to put. Oh, and it's stretchy. Oh, huh, interesting. So anyway, so that is what I will be creating with. So again, this is called Life is Abundant from Graphic 45. It's a little calendar collection. I don't know what it officially is called, but I call it a calendar collection. And we have the ephemera pieces. We have some My Colors cardstock and some beautiful velvety dark green ribbon and some black lace. So stay tuned. You'll be just as surprised as I am with what I create. So have a great day, everybody, and thank you.